Miss Malaika Ghana is brought to you by Nivea, Fritol, Royal Sanctuary Hotel, GTP, Malta Guinness, Kenya Airways, Turmeric Hotel, GH1 TV, with support from Aspire Destinations, Lux, Geisha, Lucozade, Verna Natural Mineral Water.
Congratulations, Leah! So yes, who is winning Miss Malaika Ghana 2017? It's an honor to let you know that she goes by the name Pearl. Congratulations, Pearl, Miss Malaika Ghana 2017. Congratulations, Mariam. Congratulations, Phyllis. Our 18th crown queen is Jasmine.
For years, we have believed in women and worked tirelessly for almost 2 decades to help them find their voices and their strength by giving them this platform, the Miss Malaika Ghana pageant. The pageant has seen thousands of beautiful girls in the past 19 years vying for our enviable crown and to be a part of what they describe passionately as a life-changing experience.
I am Miss Malaika Ghana.
The Miss Malaika pageant was birthed out of the desire to find that queen who was a bit different from the regular queens you had already existing on the Ghanaian scene. So we're looking at that person who was Ghanaian, who looked Ghanaian, who spoke like a Ghanaian, was smart, was beautiful, and most importantly, had a heart of gold, because we're looking for a queen that would touch people's lives. So that kind of birthed the whole idea of the Miss Malaika concept, trying to find that queen that was different from what was already in the Ghanaian space. And most importantly, one other thing that we were trying to achieve as Charterhouse was move the pageant industry from an event to a television reality show, where we could see the delegates grow over the period that we were in the competition, where Ghanaians will fall in love with their contestants as they see their transformation over the weeks until we finally crown the queen. So one thing that Malaika stood for was to have Ghanaians fall in love with the contestants, and ultimately by the time we crown the queen, they would have seen the queen's transition, falling in love, and knowing for a fact that that was a queen and could champion the cause that Malaika stood for.
It started as a mere Instagram post. Little did I know it would be taken seriously, honestly. I got selected. I came for auditions to finally meet the judges and see if I could be chosen as one of the girls to participate in Miss Malaika. And it went down very, very well. It went well. I did my best, and I think the judges liked me.
Partaking in the Malaika competition had always been a childhood dream for me. And I also got support from my family. Since childhood, they've always been calling me a beauty queen. So that also gingered me up for it. I wanted a platform to serve as a role model to the youth, and then also a platform to be an advocate for the autism community.
Before joining Miss Malaika Ghana, there were lots of perceptions and myths I'd heard about the pageants, like short people do not win, light people do not win, all sorts of things. The organizers, mess around with the girls. So I was a bit skeptical. My family too was a bit worried, but then I still decided to go for it because I felt as a young lady, it would give me that, platform to be the best version of myself and to grow as a person, to grow as a woman. I wanted that growth, I feel school doesn't always give you that, and so joining pageantry, they groom you in ways, trust me, you might not even get it in your whole years in school.
I've always seen the Miss Malaika Ghana pageant as a life-changing experience. The lessons I learned from Malaika has been a part of me. I'm able to tolerate people, I'm a very good listener now, and I've taken the teamwork I learned from the pageant.
My experience was really exciting, primarily because I didn't purpose to actually participate in the pageant. I would say I was actually prejudiced against beauty pageants. I felt that you needed too much investment by way of clothes and makeup to go in, so I wasn't really interested. But then Charterhouse had scouts on Legon campus. And so there was this lady who met up with me and convinced me to participate. And so for the heck of it, I just went with some friends through the first audition. And because I was very relaxed, I went through, and from then I took it quite seriously. Then went into the house, and then all the evictions still went on stage on the final night.
I remember going for 2 auditions. There was a pre-audition and then the main one that particular year, which was in 2017. And so for the pre-auditions, I remember the judges were made up of past delegates who had experience. So they bombarded me with a lot of questions and I answered them confidently. I remember they were impressed. I even got an applause from them, yes. And I was so happy that I made it through to the next stage. So the second auditions, I must say that I almost missed it because I was very late. And I was like the last person to partake in that section. So I got there and I remember seeing Jocelyn Dumas and William as part of the judges. And they asked me, I literally ran to the place. And they asked me questions, and God being so good, I was able to compose myself and answer the questions rightly. Venturing into the showbiz side of things or going into pageantry, that was a first-time experience for me. So I would say it was filled with mixed emotions. I was happy, I was anxious.
Coming in for Miss Malaika Ghana, I didn't have any doubts because I had already contested in a totally different pageants, but I was looking at a more bigger platform, and so I came in well prepared and I was just coming for whatever I came in for.
As a young woman, I was told that, you know, taking part in a pageant meant giving people the leeway to take advantage of you sexually, maybe. But I was a very stubborn child. I was always very mischievous. I always wanted to try things out and find things out for myself. So I decided to go ahead with it. I've never been the child that would shy away from, you know, adventure. So I think for me, trying out Miss Malaika was an adventure, and I was yet to find out what I had to offer. And so regardless of how I thought things would be, I still imagined a world full of wins and a brand new car and all of that. So that encouraged me to take part in it. Has it changed? Absolutely. After I took part in the pageant, I realized that really it's about you taking advantage of the opportunities that are presented to you. And I think I'm a living example of someone who took advantage of the opportunities that were available. The cards were laid on the table. It was up to me to decide what I was going to do with these cards. I played my game right, I believe, and that's what has landed me here.
So one of the best things I learned from Malaika was to be myself, because having a whole bunch of ladies around, and one moment or the other you're a little intimidated because you think you're the best, and then someone blows your mind and you feel like this person really deserves the crown, even though it's a competition. But it taught me to be myself, absolutely, no matter where I find myself. And 6 years down the line, it's been one of the best things that has ever happened to me in terms of that life lesson. And so Malaika has helped me in so many ways.
Why do we do it? Hide, cover up, tone down? Choose boldness. Celebrate the skin you're in and dress with confidence with Nivea Nourishing Cocoa Body Lotion, the triple layered care of deep moisture serum, precious cocoa butter, and vitamin E. Enriches your skin for 48 hours. It's time to show off your best skin. Wear your skin with pride every time with Nivea Nourishing Cocoa Body Lotion.
Mata Ankuma. Hey,
Oh, Chaisa.
No, two man so Jamaica GTP.
I know.
Joe.
Clemento.
Yes.
You know I really like you.
Okay.
But that's your fabric. It doesn't look genuine.
Hey, design, GTP design.
GTP put the printed colors be sale. Share. When buying GTP, always check the design number on the label. The same number is printed on the selvage.
Oh, the wakamate. We are genuine. Yeah, we do a chamu be what? Jack, shine your eye.
GTP is available in various shops and online at www.buygtp.com.
GTP, timeless.